Hi Beatrice, Fritzi at Delray Buick GMC. You couldn't have picked a nicer vehicle. This terrain was sold and serviced here. It's an SLT black with brown leather, a very, very popular vehicle. 2.4 liter, 4-cylinder, is going to get you up to 22, 32 miles per gallon. We got a sunroof, we got a full power seat, we got, see the little orange in the mirror, you got blind spot detection, you've got forward collision alert. Let's see what else we got here. Look at that, we even got navigation, and look at this sunroof here. How's that for a nice vehicle? Anyway, it's got 39,766 miles on it. We got the 2016 owner's manual and window sticker. This vehicle was over 34,000 new. We got the seats that fold. You got the power tailgate, which you can open with the key. You got already tinted glass. You got an almost flat floor there. Parking sensors, backup camera. This is a very nice vehicle. Give me a call, 954-406-1433. Thank you.